Good morning. Am I audible to you? Krishna, can you hear me? Hello? I have discussed about the must perform operations and why they are known as must perform operations. That is also been discussed in the last class. Then you also got to know about RT, and that is register transfer notation, some particular symbols that being considered as default when you are performing these operations. Then assembly language notation, we discussed that also. Now, accumulator, about accumulator, I asked one question that what is accumulator? I'll still wait for the answers of every student of this class, then I'll discuss. Then we have general registers to hold the operands, thus thereby we can reduce the memory traffic. Okay, that's a very important part. Then register, then stack, operands and results. Obviously, we are maintaining in the stack.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the, if we have to say what is the difference, means main difference between general register and accumulator, sir, then what will you say?
Yes, that's what I am asking. Actually, first go for accumulator. That's the last question I have asked in the last class. मैंने लास्ट क्लास में यही पूछा था कि एक्यूमुलेटर क्या है, क्यों यूज करते हैं हम एक्यूमुलेटर. I can see only 2 and 3 answers there. That's why I'm not happy. Okay, please go through that. Then only I will discuss that. आप समझ में आया मैं क्यों पूछ रहा था क्वेश्चन ये? You got it now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm asking to everybody.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, यही चीज है. आप 2-3 लाइन का चीज है, ये देख लोगे. Otherwise, because you know that some mathematical computations are also going on and some the normal operations are also going on. In the case of general register, what we do actually, we keep the operands there. Operands are kept there so that we can reduce the memory traffic. You will see that whenever we are performing these things, like this one. Okay. Wait, I'll show you one very good example. Okay. Can you see my screen? See,
Yes,
instruction formats. Very good. So first, tree address instruction. ये बहुत important है. फिर से बोल रहा हूँ, ध्यान देना, ठीक है? Tree address instruction. So tree address instruction, how many register I am using?
sir. 3.
3. Okay. So suppose add. If I have the instruction is like this, what it means exactly? It means that the values there in the R1 and R2, R1 or R2 में जो value, first we are adding them, then we are shifting that value to where? R3. So as we are using this 3 register here, so this is actually where means we are associated with 3 different addresses. Yes or no? 3 different address हम refer कर रहे हैं कि नहीं यहाँ पे? एक R1
Yes,
है,
sir.
एक R2 है और एक R3. So that's why this is 3 address instructions. Clear? Then 2 address instruction. So 2 address. Now look at this very carefully. Add R1 and R2. Now you can see here that we are using only how many registers?
Sir, 2 register.
2 register. 2 register, 2 different location. You all agree that? So 2 address
Yes, sir.
instruction. So now how to perform in such cases, in such of those operations in such cases, that first you add them, means R1 and R2. Don't think that I'm adding the register. ये मत सोच लेना कि मैं registers को add कर रहा हूँ. मैं क्या exactly add कर रहा हूँ? Can anybody tell me?
The values which registers the whole.
Yeah, exactly. The values, those operands values which these registers are holding. Now, after the addition, of course, we will get some value. Now we are shifting that to R2. Here, what happens? See, मैं किस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा हूँ? फर्स्ट R1 R2 को ऐड करके R2 में नहीं रख के R3 में रखा था. We are using three different registers, so that's a three address instruction. Now, as we are using two address instructions, so we are bound to use only two registers. So after the addition part is done, we will move the value towards this particular register. R1 plus R2 is then one address instruction. Now, someone asks me that what's the difference between accumulator and register? I can give you a small hint here. And that small hint itself is this one. अब इसको ध्यान से देखो. दिखाई दे रहा है? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ मैं कहाँ फोकस कर रहा हूँ? Where exactly I'm focusing is nothing but that accumulator, right? Whatever the operation addition I'm doing, I'm doing using the accumulator and I'm keeping it that accumulator itself. So my dear students, whenever these questions I'm asking, maybe they look simple, but don't forget to answer them. ठीक है, मैं सबको बोल रहा हूँ, कोई भी स्किप नहीं करोगे. जो भी क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, उसी दिन, उसी मोमेंट, after you get the answer, you try to answer them, and also you try to write them on your copies. ओके, क्योंकि वो स्मॉल फैक्ट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. जैसे अभी आप एक्यूमुलेटर समझ के आए हो, तभी आप ये डिफरेंस समझ सकते हो कि व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द जनरल वन एंड एक्यूमुलेटर वन. So that was one address instruction. Now look at here. What is this? Zero address instruction. Like add. Now what is TOS? The question is to everybody. If my voice is coming clearly, then please try to answer. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you think? I'm not asking you the exact answer. Just try to find a hint that what it would be. You know stack. मैं बता देता हूँ, ठीक है. मैं शायद ये आपको बताया नहीं था stack के बारे में. तो stack has a pointer. You know stack is working on the basis of what? Last in, first out. Last in, first out. Stack ये है. इसमें मैं कुछ डेटा रख रहा हूँ, ठीक है. जो लास्ट में है वो कहाँ है? टॉप में है. ओके, सो मेरा जो पॉइंटर है, देयर इज अ पॉइंटर एक्चुअली, राइट, टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक, दैट इज टॉप of the stack. Consider this. So when this one is the last, TOS is pointing to the top of the stack element. So this is the element which will be removed first, and for any operation, first we are going to deal with the top of the stack. Are you getting me? বুজি পাই আছা সবে?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So যদি মই একো register use নকৰো, তেনে what I am using here? A stack.
Sir, stack.
Very good. Now, if it is a stack, if this is the top of the element, what is the address of the next element? That will be TOS minus 1. Are you getting me? Are you visualizing the fact I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So अभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो TOS -1 and TOS, I'm adding them. Whatever the elements we have in the TOS are -1 position, मतलब जो टॉप एलिमेंट है उसके जस्ट नीचे वाला एलिमेंट और जो टॉप में है that is TOS, ये दोनों एलिमेंट, रिमेंबर दीज आर सम पॉइंटर्स. तो ये दो एलिमेंट को मैं ऐड करके आई एम अगेन कीपिंग देम, आई एम कीपिंग द आंसर, कीपिंग द सम वेयर at the top of the stack. Okay, I'm repeating again. You consider a stack, एक stack consider करो. Stack works on the basis of LIFO, last in first out. कहीं पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, you can pause me and you can answer, but please be responsive. समझ में आ रहा है तो कृष्णा और बाकी लोगों की जैसे रेस्पॉन्स दो, बाकी सबको बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. तो एलिमेंट्स इंसर्ट करते जा रहे हो, तो लास्ट में जो एलिमेंट है वही टॉप एलिमेंट है, तो एक पॉइंटर है जो TOS उस लास्ट वाला एलिमेंट जैसे टॉप एलिमेंट को पॉइंट कर रहा है. TOS is pointing to the top most element. So whenever we perform zero address instruction, so we are not going to use this type of register. So we are actually dealing with a stack, and those two elements will be TOS, the element which is TOS is pointing, this is the topmost element, and the element which is just below it, that is TOS -1 pointer. So we will add them, TOS and TOS -1. Don't think that I'm adding the pointer. TOS is nothing but a pointer, but the element this pointer is pointing, we are adding them. Got it? So whenever we perform this addition, we are going to keep it at the top, and now top of the stack is pointing towards the sum. So that is the zero address instruction.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is the TOS is behaving like some kind of indirectional operator?
Actually, this TOS is nothing but just a pointer, or you can consider as a location. हम जब भी कुछ परफॉर्म करते हैं तो obviously we need some memory, right? Where those values are being stored. तो अभी जब हमने कोई यहाँ क्या मैं बता रहा हूँ, what I am telling is zero address instruction. तो ये आप ऑपरेटर से ज्यादा आप पॉइंटर के जैसे think it as a pointer, think it as some location. Okay, pointer is pointing towards always a location. You know these things from your C classes, C++ classes, you know these things being discussed, right? So this is a kind of pointer, and in brief, I can say that these are nothing but some locations. Is that okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with this, I'm going to end today's lecture, but with a question that you all need to answer. And the question is, state the differences between 3 address instruction, 2 address instructions, 1 address instruction, and 0 address instructions. And the answer should be done by each of you before 1 p.m. today. And Krishna, I request you to ask all of your classmates to complete this before 1 p.m. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I think I got